Have you ever wondered what Java is and how it is used? Perhaps you've heard of it in passing or seen it mentioned in a tech-related article. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of Java, a powerful language that has shaped the digital world as we know it. Java, not to be confused with the Indonesian island or the popular beverage, is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Conceived in the early 90s by a team of engineers at Sun Microsystems, it was initially designed for interactive television. However, it was too advanced for the digital cable television industry at the time. The language was originally named Oak after an oak tree outside the office of its creators, but was later renamed to Java, inspired by the aromatic Java coffee beans. It was officially released to the public in 1995 and has been brewing innovation ever since. Java is an object-oriented programming language, which means it represents concepts as objects that have data fields and associated procedures known as methods. This approach simplifies software development and makes the code easier to maintain. One of the many reasons Java is so popular is because of its write once, run anywhere philosophy. This means that once you have written your piece of code, it can run on any device that supports Java without needing to be rewritten. This makes it a versatile and flexible choice for developers. Java is used in a variety of applications and platforms. It powers company websites, underpins enterprise-level software, and even fuels Android app development. It's also used in creating games, scientific applications, and big data technologies. That's quite a broad spectrum, isn't it? Now let's summarize what we've learned today. Java is a powerful, object-oriented programming language that was born in the early 90s. Its write once, run anywhere philosophy has made it a popular choice among developers. And the versatility of Java means it can be used in everything from website development to Android apps. So, the next time you're sipping on a cup of Java, remember there's more to the name than meets the eye. Behind every web page you visit, or every app you use, there might be lines of Java code working tirelessly to provide you with a seamless digital experience. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one writing those lines of code, brewing your own digital revolution.